Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the fibular vein. This vein is also known as the peroneal vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The fibular vein is located on the lateral side of the lower leg. If we look more closely at the veins on the posterior view of the lower right leg, we can see this vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein is a deep vein that originates from the lateral aspect of the foot. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs along the lateral side of the leg upwards before turning medially. Here it ends by draining into the posterior tibial vein. The posterior tibial vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood up the lateral side of the leg. From this vein, blood runs through the remainder of the posterior tibial vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the fibular vein. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.